Hello guys, I'm Sunny. Welcome back to my channel. If you're a fresher and looking for a job opportunity in tech or data field, this video can definitely save your time. Today I have brought two really good opportunities for freshers and early professionals, and both roles offers a decent package with a solid growth opportunity, so make sure to watch till the end. Let's start with the first one. This one is from Medpace and they are hiring for the role of entry level software engineer, and the location is Navi Mumbai. Now, this is actually a very interesting role because you won't be just doing basic coding, you will also be working on modernizing old systems, which means company already have existing applications and your job will be to improve and upgrade them using newer technologies. So, in simple terms, you will involve in the full development process, understanding what user needs, build the application, test it, and maintaining it. You will also be working closely with your team, discussing projects, teams, and improvements. So it's not just coding in isolation, it's proper team based development. Now, coming to the skills part, they are expecting basic knowledge of C Sharp and object oriented programming, along with the databases like SQL. And if you have worked with ASP.NET or web applications, that's a very big plus. And even if you know tools like Angular, GraphQL, Git, or Azure, that can give you an extra edge. Don't worry if you're not perfect in everything. This is an entry level role, so they mainly want your fundamentals to be clear. For eligibility, you need a computer science degree or related field and a basic understanding of how software development works, like SDLC and version control. One good thing about this role is that over time you might get opportunities to lead projects, so growth wise, it's a solid opportunity. Now coming to the second opportunity, this one is in data field. The company is HSBC and they are hiring for the role of data analyst role in Mumbai. This is actually a very good opportunity if you don't want hard coding but still want work in tech. In this role, your main work will revolve around data collecting, analyzing it, turning it into useful insights. For example, companies run marketing campaigns and your job will be to understand what worked, what didn't, and how it can be improved. You will also be creating dashboards and reports so that team can clearly see the performance metrics and make better decisions. And this is not a solo work. You will collaborating with marketing teams, product teams, and business teams to understand their goals and provide data-driven solutions. Now talking about the skills, you should be comfortable with Excel and SQL. These are very important. Basic knowledge of Python is preferred, and if you have worked with tools like Power BI or any dashboarding tools, that's even better. They are mainly looking for someone who can analyze problems, thinking logically, and communicate insights clearly. Eligibility wise, if you are from fields like maths, statistics, computer science, engineering, or economics, you are good to go. Even freshers can apply. So this is a great chance to enter in data analytics domain. So yeah, these were the two solid opportunities, one for software development and one for data analytics. If you enjoy coding and building applications, go for the software engineer role. And if you like working with data, insights, business decisions, then data analyst role is perfect for you. Make sure to check out the link in the description box. And if you want more such latest job updates, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching.